How to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to find and remove duplicate images to free up storage. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then select Manage Storage. Here, if Google Photos has detected duplicate photos, you'll see an option labeled Duplicates or Review Duplicates. Since I don't currently have that option on my device, here's what that looks like on screen. Once you see it, tap on it. Then simply review the photos, select the copies you don't need, and tap Delete to remove duplicate photos from Google Photos. If this option isn't available, you can also manually go through your gallery, select duplicate images, and delete them to free up space. And that's it. That's how you can easily delete duplicate photos in Google Photos and free up storage space.